were young and in this world, chasing dreams and girls, running from our problems, and I know we're older now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki. So for today's video, as you guys can see, this is going to be my winter wash day routine. I haven't done a wash day routine in quite a while, but this is my winter one. This is the one that I specifically focus on moisturizing my hair because I like to protect it style for quite some time, and I'm just starting on old hair. I don't really think my hair is really dirty, but yeah, this is just old hair, and I'm just going to start off by rinsing my hair with some really hot water because I do have low porosity hair. So yeah, I'm just going to focus on making sure my hair is soaking wet for the product I'm about to use. So the product I'm going in with is my Diva Curl Wash Day Wonder, and you guys have seen this on my channel already. I like to use this before I shampoo my hair. It helps me to detangle my hair. It's quite expensive, so I only use this sometimes, but I thought I would put this in the wash day routine because it does help with detangling. If you guys want to see a full video on that, I'll leave that in the tab or description bar below. And yeah, it's really good for anyone who has like type 4 hair or just has hair that is not so easy to detangle. As you guys can see, it makes my hair really shiny and it's really slippery. And yeah, so I'm gonna be going in with one of these detanglers. I like to use the Tangle Teaser. You don't have to use the Tangle Teaser if you don't want to, but it helps me with my hair. So yeah, this is what I like to use. Not everything works for everyone, but this is what I like to use. It helps me to detangle faster. I'd rather do it faster than sit there and do it for a longer time. So yeah, it just helps detangle my hair quicker. So I basically repeat this throughout all my sections. I put hot water onto my hair, then I apply the Wash Day Wonder, and then I detangle with my Tangle Teaser. As you can see, it's gliding through a lot. I didn't really mess about with my hair for the past 3 weeks, so it's a lot easier for the Tangle Teaser to get through my hair, so I don't have that many tangles. And yeah, I'm just going to do this until it's time for me to shampoo. So I'm just going to wet my hair a little bit just so the shampoo is easier for me to put on. And yeah. So the shampoo I'm going to be going in with is my Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Intensive Hydration Shampoo. And I really do like this shampoo for the winter time because when I put it on, I don't feel like my hair ends up being really dry, and it is really moisturizing for my hair. I have used this on my channel before, but it was for a sponsored video. This isn't a sponsored video, but I just wanted to show you guys I actually do still use my products. I really do like this shampoo. And yeah, I just like to focus it on my scalp, and then I go through my ends as well because I haven't washed my hair in 3 weeks, so that's a lot of product buildup, and I'm just gonna, you know, scrub my scalp and make sure everything is clean. And I like to go in with this 2 times, so I'm just rinsing my hair, and I'm gonna repeat that again on my sections. Now that I've rinsed everything out, I'm just going to be going in with my Shea Moisture Hydration hair mask. I really like this deep conditioner for the winter time. It's very moisturizing, and when I do rinse it out, I like to just leave a little bit of it in because it's really moisturizing. And yeah, this is just my favorite one to use for right now. I don't think the Cresse Pillow one is really good for the winter time, but yeah, I do like this one a lot better for winter because it just keeps my hair feeling moisturized and buttery. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in with that throughout my sections. Again, you guys know what to do. So yeah. And just to let you guys know, I do deep condition my hair with every wash day. I never skip it. So even if I haven't washed my hair in like 3 weeks and then I decide to wash my hair, I always make sure I deep condition because I just feel like that's just something I have to do after I've washed my hair. So yeah. I also like to make sure that I focus the deep conditioner on my edges and the back of my head as well, because that's where my hair tends to get the driest the most. So yeah. And I'm just gonna tie up my hair and get ready to put my hair under my steamer. So now I'm just going to go under my steamer, and you guys have seen my steamer on my Instagram and my YouTube channel. This is my favorite thing to use for my natural hair routine. I don't know what else to say about it because it's been my favorite thing for 2018. So if you guys do want to purchase it, you can purchase it if you want to. It's not sponsored, but yeah, it's my favorite thing to use. It's got loads of benefits. I've got a whole video on it, so if you guys want to check that out, you guys can go and check that out.
The next morning.
So this is the next morning, and I left my hair to air dry overnight. I rinsed out my deep conditioner yesterday, and today I just left my hair to air dry, and now I'm just gonna moisturize my hair using the LOC method. And what I've been doing lately is using rice water on my hair, and this is not a video to promote rice water. I'm just trying it out. I've been trying it out for the past 3 weeks and it's been working okay for me. I will tell you guys the results later, but it's not a video promoting it or anything. I'm just trying it out for myself and I do really like it. It makes my hair really shiny and soft. As you guys saw in the beginning of the video, my hair was still shiny even though it's been 3 weeks. So yeah, I'm just going to spray my hair with that on every section of my hair. Now I'm just going to go in with my leave-in conditioner, and this is the Alike Naturals Lemongrass Leave-In Conditioner. There's no specific reason why I'm using this leave-in conditioner, but I'm just trying to finish all my products before the end of the year. So yeah, I'm just going to use this. I've been using it for 3 weeks and I still like it. It's just a random leave-in conditioner. You can use anything you want, and I'm just going to spread it on my hair. And yeah, I don't really like the packaging because it's really difficult to squeeze. So yeah, and after this I'm just going to use my olive oil, and that's basically like my moisturizing routine. I'm going to get ready to do a protective hairstyle onto my hair for the next 3 weeks again. Probably going to do braids or something. But yeah, this is basically what I've been doing. So the next thing I do is apply my castor oil onto my edges and anywhere else that I feel like needs it. And this is the end of my winter wash day routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.